Hey, what's happening, sneakerheads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, go and smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get it.
All right, sneakerheads, in this video, we'll bring you a detailed review of, bam, these does come in that classic Jordan 4 box. As you see the size, Jordan SPIZIKE low, size 10. Me and my bro already reviewed these, but we're going more in detail. As you can see the box, the SPIZIKE does come up with the combination of these shoes. And we'll go over this in more detail. I do think this is a cool box. I like it when Jordan Brand does tell the story because a lot of these younger generations, they don't know about the shoe. It does come in that beautiful splatter paint with that red Jumpman with the flight logo. If you don't know, the Jordan SPIZIKEs first debuted in October 2006. This is technically the second colorway that I've seen come out. The first colorway that I've seen come out was coconut milk. Then the second were these, bam. These are called the Houston Oilers. You know I do collect the colorways of the UNC, so this is right up my alley right here. So how this came about is Jordan Brand wanted to pay homage to Spike Lee with his successful Jordan commercials. So if you don't know, the name SPIZIKE does come from the word Mike and Spike, and they fused those two together to form the word SPIZIKE. Feud was formed to thank Spike Lee for his contribution in the successful Jordan commercials. As you know, his character, Mars Black, came out in the movie She's Got It, Have It. And as you can see right here on the back, it does have an icon of him, of his silhouette when he was doing the Jordan commercials. This is what it looked like. Again, the overall shoe is a monochromatic blue. I do think this is a very nice shoe in my opinion. I have heard some other sneaker reviewers say that this shoe is very stiff, and for some people it may run a little bit small, but this shoe is made out of a combination of 5 different shoes. It does feature the midsole and elephant print of the Jordan 3. As you can see, it has that nice UNC blue. I mean, I know this thing gonna be easy to rock, and this is not gonna be a fan of everyone's because it is in that monochromatic color. It does feature the mode technical wings from the Jordan 4, as you can see right here. It does have these nice glowing wings with that honeycomb all in the same color. It does have the side panels of the Jordan 5 as we see right here. Again, this is the low, so you're not going to have the full panel as we normally should. And then it takes inspirations from the Jordan 6, as you can see. It does have that lace lock in red, as well as that Jordan Jumpman in red. It does have the tongue of the Jordan 6, as you can see. One of the biggest differences on this shoe that, as you can see from the normal Jordan 6 that they do have, is it doesn't have the holes in the tongue. I don't know why they couldn't put the holes in the tongue. And also another big difference is like this right here, this doesn't unbutton like it normally does on the Jordan 6s. It is sewn in. So that is one of the major differences of the shoe. And then to finish it off, we do have that pull tab on the back right here from the Jordan 9. Again, if you're a UNC collector like I am, let me know if you have these in your collection. And let me know if you're rocking with the SPIZIKEs. This is not my first SPIZIKEs, believe it or not. I do have another SPIZIKEs, which I will probably show in another video. But right now I'm just showcasing these. Again, if you don't know, both of the back tabs, we do have that Spike Lee right here, the Mars Blackman character from She's Gotta Have It. And then on this other shoe right here, believe it or not, does anybody know what that symbol means? Believe it or not, this is from Spike Lee's production company, 40 Acres and a Mule for Filmworks. So there you have it. As you can see, we have that visible Nike Air unit on the heel, as well as you have that polyurethane midsole. And then, of course, you also have another air unit inside the forefoot. The shoe is mainly made up of smooth, thin nubuck material. Again, it's not the best quality of nubuck. It is kind of hard to see on the camera, but it's a slight booty backstroke on here, but it's not that much as normal. I haven't tried these on foot, so stay tuned for that. Let me know if you want to see an on-feet review of these, but let me know what you think about these shoes, sneakerheads, down in the comments. And let me know if you're rocking the SPIZIKEs. As for me, I am rocking the SPIZIKEs. I try not to get caught up in the, Jumpman Jordan, like those are fakes or the lesser of the retros. If I see a Jordan shoe that I like or any shoe that I like, I'm going to cop it regardless of whether the hype is there or not. Again, let me know in the comments, sneakerheads. Are you rocking these or dropping these? The inside of the sole, it does feature that same monochromatic. Unfortunately, this price point comes out at a retail price of $160 and therefore doesn't have any extra laces. It kind of would have been cool, to see what it would look like if it had some red laces in there. And that's something that I might do in the future. I don't know. But in looking at the bottom of the sole, it does have that red traction pod right here. And a fun fact right here at Sneakerheads, go check this out. This traction pattern right here actually comes from the Air Force One. So if you don't know about that, go ahead and check that out. Look that up for yourself. But again, this is a nice clean colorway. If I like the way these feel on foot, I will go ahead and cop the coconut milk one because I think that's another clean pair. As of right now, there is a recent black and red pair that seems to be more popular. And more of those have sold, I think, out of the two colorways that drop. And this is the first of the few that are coming out because Jordan Brand still has more of these in store for us. So if you like these and plan to rock these, there will be more for you sneakerheads. You may not like this one, but if you don't know, most of the sneakers have been going on sale, sneakerheads, and that's what I've been trying to tell you. If you have a little bit of disposable income at your convenience, go ahead and purchase these. I was able to get these under retail on StockX. Again, I'm not being paid to promote StockX, but I do try to find shoes less than retail price so I can rock them on feet. I don't want to pay full price because, as we know, Jordan Brand keeps on jacking up the prices of these Jordan 4s. So to make that more affordable for me, I just usually wait. Sometimes, if it's not a real hot popular shoe like this one ain't, I've been waiting till they go on sale. Let me know if you're doing the same in the comments, sneakerheads.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.
peace.